Hey guys, Nick Hutchinson with MarineMax Clearwater here. Today I've got a really special boat to show you. This is a 2020 model year Boston Whaler 21 Dauntless. Now, the reason I say it's special is we don't get a lot of these in. When we do, they sell almost immediately. But this one's now sitting here in our showroom ready to be seen. And it's got a great package on it. Loaded up with sea deck throughout, 200 horsepower Mercury outboard. Nice helm seat here with live well underneath, and this one even has a secondary live well on the front of the center console. Plenty of room for any kind of electronics you want to add. You can add dual displays on this, already equipped with a Fusion radio. Moving up front, lots of cup holders and rod holders as well. Additional volume controls up on the bow with a lot of sun pad seating. Under this seat here, give it a pull, got a secondary live well, so that way you're if you're up on the front casting, got a lot of guys in the boat, you don't have to be walking back and forth to just the one live well. Beautiful boat, guys. This thing's not going to last long. You guys have any questions at all, give me a call, shoot me a text, send me an email. My information's right there on the bottom. Thanks.